Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Bluetooth and Devices. Following that, click on Printing and then Default Print Service. Now just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use a different service, just tap on the switcher next to On to disable the default one. Go back, tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. Then go back to the same settings. Tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!